Hey guys, girls, and welcome to another video on Stranded Deep. It's been a long time since I've done a video. This has been the latest update. It was released overnight on the 23rd of January. It's a 0.09 and things are quite different. As you can see, my paddle was attached to there and, well, I can't pick it up. So to control your raft now, you actually have to look at the raft. It's actually an object in their new vehicle system they've added. You have to just hold left click and then use WASD to control where you're going, and where you're looking, W is where you'll end up going. And this brings us into the actual raft system that they've implemented in this version, which I will be getting to very shortly. Just wanted to mention this bit before we get started. There's a whole raft of changes to this update. Lots of bug fixes, some changes to the actual systems themselves, which we'll go through very shortly. So you can hold left click again and you can get off. You can still drag your boat up. So let's just go through the changes that they've added before we start talking about the raft system. Appear to have a bit of bugged out audio in this version for some reason, so I will try and fix that and I'll be right back. There we go, that's better. Just had to save the game, close down the main menu and reload, and it sorts that little hiccup out. So here we are on this, probably the smallest island I could possibly find. We'll have a quick look at the crafting menu, and then I will go away for a little bit, try and get the resources together to start crafting some of these items. But let's go through some of the changes. They have added more items into here. Actually, sort of got some preview windows for these new items here. A new decal system. Not quite sure what that is. I'm sure we will find out what that is. Maybe that's just sort of fine tweaking something. New plant model for the yucca. I bet I've come to an island without a yucca. I know, here we go. Yeah, so it looks a bit more yucca-like. A bit bigger. Don't know if we get any more out of it. Let's have a try. Oh, so there's... Oh, I see. So there's more likely to be more than one. Is this hittable? What's going on? Okay, so that stays there. We got one bit of lashing from that. Okay, well that's a bit strange. Only got one lashing from that big plant. Excuse me. I did individual driftwood log pieces into terrain generation. So instead of having piles of driftwood, now I only got little ones as well. See if we can find any. Nope, just oh, hang on, wood planks. There we go, a tree trunk. So you haven't got the three that are connected together. We've just got this one, which we can then get an axe and break down into individual little bits. Just some fixes to different things. Incorrect ocean tide level. I hadn't realised they'd added tides, I have to admit. So that's pretty cool. Still got our little crab friends. Still got no shadow, but scrap metal, that's all the same. Changed plant harvesting to no longer display real-time growth as too confusing for players. Okay, not sure what that means, because I haven't played it for a long time. But we got some potatoes. What's that? Is that a normal stick? I think it was just a normal stick, it looked a bit strange. Fixed problems with sharks, having difficulty locating players. Some save game improvements to the speed of games are saved at. But the real thing is the raft building system that they've added. And this is what I've been really looking forward to. So they've added new spawn items. We go into the crafting menu and click on the little anchor. So we've got three components to raft building. We've got bases, which we can make a tyre base, barrels, a buoy base, or we can have a wooden stick base, so we can make one of those fairly straightforward. We get some more lashing and some more sticks. Then we put a floor on it, which can be driftwood, very similar to sort of the how you construct a house. So that's it, stand on, and then we've got different propulsions. So we have a tarp sail and a motorboat engine at the moment. But as you can see, the recipes are fairly logical. I would say though, tyres, you probably need some lashing for that in real life, so maybe they should be adding that lashing to all of these, because you're not going to be able to tie them together, or maybe a chain for the barrels. And I'm guessing they must have different properties. Maybe this one's stronger, this one's lighter, this one's going to be stronger. I don't know. I didn't go into great detail there, so not too sure. So what I'll do is I'll go away here and try and find some resources, try and build some of these rafts, so I can show you all what they look like. So I'll catch you in a few minutes. Hello again, and just a quick stop before we move on and I start building. I've scoured a few islands, and I've noticed that I found some tyres on this boat, so whether that's where they spawn, I'm not sure. I can't actually find any information as to whether that's where they should spawn, so I'm just going to assume that this is the correct space for them. Now I can't even pick them up either, so I'm guessing I've got to do the building here. A floating raft constructed from salvaged tyres and rope. Well, that's definitely tyres, but I can't appear to do anything with them. Do I have to hit them with a knife? Don't appear. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, I can't pick them up. But if I now go into the crafting, I can craft. Aha, right, okay. So you've got to craft them in place, which is a bit of a pain in the backside, but and then drag it back to the island. Okay, so it's a bit small. The size isn't everything. And I have found the sound bug. The sound bug is every time you actually sail anywhere, when you get off, the sound effects still stay there. So not sure what we can do about that. Floor. We can make a wooden stick floor. Or we can make a steel floor. Which then you just snap on top, and then I should be able to make one of these. A bit of propulsion. Like so. And if we drag this back into the sea, jump on top and just look at the raft again, and you get that. Oh, there we go. Sail. Hold left. Click. There we go. Whoa, she's a bit feisty, and she'll go sort of wherever you're looking. Is it this one? No, W, A and D control it left and right. So hopefully you found this video interesting and helpful on what's happening in Stranded Deep in the latest update 0.09. I'm going to try and do more update videos for this game and other games, so if you like the video, please click that like button. If you want to comment below, ask me some questions, I will try my best to answer them for you, and as always, have fun.